السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. في تصريح دينيز المدرب الفني لفريق فولو مينيسي البرازيلي، المباراة النهائية لكأس العالم للأندية بالأهم على الإطلاق في مسيرته الرياضية، فيما صرح المدرب غوارديولا مدرب مانشستر سيتي أن النهائي المقام في السعودية فرصة لا تتكرر لخوض نهائي كأس العالم للأندية، وأن فريقه يريد الفوز أمام فريق صعب.
For that situation. I said many times, sometimes it helps the decision, sometimes it's there. But I learned for where I come from that if you want to win something, you have to do it much, much better than the opponents. When you are level, always had the feeling that it's not going to happen. So you have to do much, much better. And this is what they have to do. Like, try the few chances that we concede, try to, to concede goals and try to play. My feeling today, we're going to win the Premier League. Today, if you ask me, we're going to win the Premier League. If we play in the level, so Liverpool and Tottenham, we are going to win it again. The people don't believe it already.